Hello to everyone. I am Professor Raja, working as Assistant Professor EC Department, SNS College of Technology, an autonomous institution Coimbatore. In this YouTube video, I am going to discuss about eye pattern. So based on my previous YouTube video, you have the knowledge about what is meant by communication and how the analog communication is happen and how the digital communication are carried out in wireless transmission. Now in this YouTube video, I will detailedly discuss about the use of eye pattern and how the eye pattern is visible in the dual storage oscilloscope. The quality of digital transmission systems are evaluated using the bit error rate. Degradation of quality occurs in each process modulation, transmission and detection. The eye pattern is an experimental method that contains all the information concerning the degradation of quality. Therefore, careful analysis of the eye pattern is important in analyzing the degradation mechanism. Eye patterns can be observed using an oscilloscope. It may be a normal oscilloscope or a dual storage oscilloscope. The received wave is applied to a vertical deflection plates of an oscilloscope and the sawtooth wave at a rate equal to transmitted symbol rate is applied to the horizontal deflection plates. Resulting display is eye pattern as it resembles human eye. Eye pattern. If you see this figure, the binary data 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0 is considered as the binary data, and this corresponding analog waveform is look like this. If you apply both these input to CRO, the waveform will look like a eye pattern. So because of the upper waves are look like in upper side and the zero waves are look like in downward side, both will look like a eye pattern structure. This is the main important criteria of eye pattern. If you see the figure, this is like the human eye, and based on this we can identify three important parameters. One is the best sampling time, second one is the margin over noise, and the third one is the distortion at sampling time. Now we can see detailed about this one. The interior region of eye pattern is called eye opening. That is, if you see, this is called the eye pattern region. This diamond shape is look like a eye pattern region. The width of eye opening defines the time interval over which the received wave can be sampled without error from ISI. The optimum sampling time corresponds to the maximum eye opening. The height of the eye opening at a specified sampling time is a measure of margin over channel noise. The sensitivity of the system to timing error is determined by the rate of closure of the eye as the sampling time is varied. Any nonlinear transmission distortion would reveals itself in an asymmetric or squinted eye. When the effect of ISI is excessive, traces from the upper portion of the eye pattern cross traces from the lower portion with the result that the eye is completely closed. The three timing features of eye pattern are optimum sampling time, zero crossing jitter, and the third one is the timing sensitivity. The width of eye opening defines the time interval over which the distorted binary waveform appearing at the output of the received filter in the PAM system can be uniformly sampled without decision errors. Clearly, the optimum sampling time is the time at which eye opening is at its widest. Zero crossing jitter. In practice, the timing signal for synchronizing the receiver to the transmitter is extracted from zero crossings of the waveform that appears at the received filter output. In such a form of synchronization, there will always be irregularities in the zero crossings, which in turn give rise to jitter and therefore non-optimum sampling times. Timing sensitivity. Another timing related feature is the sensitivity of a PAM system to timing errors. This sensitivity is determined by the rate at which the eye pattern is closed as the sampling time is varied. Two extreme values of eye openings are. To emphasize this statement, the two extreme values of eye opening translate as follows. First one is a zero peak distortion, second one is the unity peak distortion. At zero peak distortion, it occurs when the eye opening is unity, that is fully open. For unity peak distortion, it occurs when eye pattern is completely closed. That is, whenever the data is in a noise or sometimes unregular data or non-synchronization bits are transmitted through a data input, then the eye will be completely closed. So in this YouTube video, I discussed what is meant by eye pattern, how the eye patterns are achieved in or occurred in dual storage oscilloscope, and main three important features of eye patterns are discussed. Then finally, the two extreme values of eye openings are discussed. So thank you for watching my video. Next YouTube video, I am going to discuss how these eye openings are used in real-time applications at electronics and communication field. Thank you.